Hello everybody, thanks for tuning into my week ahead video. Before I get on with the weather for the week ahead, I just want to talk about a couple of things. First thing I want to mention is the website where I'm getting these charts from. It's weatherzentrale.de, and if you go to the links page, if you click on the links tab and go through to the links page, you will find the link for weatherzentrale.de, so you can go to Weather Centrale from this site, and you'll be able to see all of these charts for yourself. They have all the charts of all the major computer models, and they have an extensive archive of historic charts going back to 1871. So go to the links page and you'll be able to find the link for this site, weatherzentrale.de. Now, the other thing I want to speak about is the advertising that you see on this page and on this website. I'm affiliated with Amazon.co.uk. So if you see an advert you like and advertise a product you like, click on the link and go through to Amazon.co.uk, and you'll be getting the product you want, and you'll be generating revenue for GabsWeatherVids.com. And that's the case if you just want to go through to Amazon.co.uk for any product, really. You don't have to just to be limited to the products I have on this site. You can go to Amazon for any product from my website, and as I say, you'll be supporting GabsWeatherVids.com. Now, the weather for the week ahead looks like it's going to be settling down once again. We have got some rain around today, but it's not an end to the drought. As I've been saying in recent videos, the drought isn't ending yet because high pressure will be coming back in the week ahead, and the week ahead actually looks generally settled once we get this weekend out of the way. Now, this is the situation right now. We've got low pressure coming in from the Atlantic across the country. This is quite a weak system, but have got an active weather system down to the southeast. That could be bringing some outbreaks of rain to East Anglia and southeastern England through the course of this afternoon, and some of that rain could be quite persistent and heavy. Further to the north and west, we probably have quite a number of heavy showers. It could be a crack of thunder across parts of Wales and northwestern England, parts of western and southwestern Scotland as well today, and maybe a little bit of wintry weather turning up over the Scottish mountains this afternoon as colder air begins to dig in with this system. It is a bit cooler today, temperatures of around 8 or 9 degrees, although perhaps up to 10 or 11 down in the southeast. Now, overnight we're going to find that rain clearing away from East Anglia and southeast England, but it could keep going across parts of northern England and North Wales through the night, so there could be some rain there, maybe a little bit of sleet over higher ground. Elsewhere, it's going to become mainly dry with showers dying back to the coast. It's going to be quite a cold night tonight with temperatures down to -1, -2 across parts of Scotland, and perhaps +1 or +2 across England and Wales. That is low enough for a frost, particularly in the north, but anywhere could get a frost tonight. Now, as we go into a Sunday, we find that low pressure moving away to the southeast, and we're already starting to see signs about high pressure ridging in from the Atlantic. So Sunday does look as though we're going to see more showers across England and Wales, more particularly across northeastern parts of England and down into the North Midlands perhaps, but almost anywhere could get a shower tomorrow, and perhaps one of those could be quite sharp, maybe a crack of thunder around in places as well. These more northwest areas will tend to become drier through the course of the day, with a fair amount of dry weather and sunny spells as this ridge of high pressure moves in. So it's basically a case of showers in the south, mainly dry, with sunny spells in the north and to the west. Temperatures tomorrow probably around 8 or 9 degrees for many others, perhaps up to 10s or 11s in 1 or 2 places. 10 Celsius is 50 Fahrenheit. These temperatures are about average for the time of year, but it's a bit cooler than what we've been used to. Now, as we go into Monday, the situation is getting back to normal, or normal to what we've been used to in the last few months, with this area of high pressure building back up from the southwest. Most places are going to be dry and fine across England and Wales on Monday. We're bringing up this southwesterly wind for Scotland and Northern Ireland, and probably bringing a weather front through. So turning cloudy with outbreaks of light rain across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of Monday, but England and Wales seems to be mainly dry and fine with sunny spells. Temperatures could be up to around 10, 11 or 12 degrees. That's 50 to 54 Fahrenheit, so it is a bit milder on Monday, although there could be quite a chilly start with another fairly widespread frost. And as we go into Tuesday, that high pressure is very dominant across England and Wales. We've still got this southwesterly wind to the north, so it's always cloudier, windier, and a little bit damp around these northern and western coasts of Scotland and through into Northern Ireland. But these eastern parts of Scotland should be mainly dry. And then England and Wales, a lot of dry and settled weather with a fair amount of sunny spells, but probably turning more cloudier from the northwest as the day goes on. Temperatures on Tuesday again around 10 to 12 degrees, 50 to 54 Fahrenheit. Into Wednesday, and that high pressure really is taking over and dominating the scene, so the emphasis is on dry weather really into the middle of the week. Could be quite a lot of cloud again trapped under this high pressure, so that could be disappointing, but there will probably be some sunny spells around as well. As I say, all places dry, maybe just a little bit of patchy rain to the far north and northwest of Scotland, but basically the emphasis is on a dry weather through the middle of the week. It's going to be quite mild again, with temperatures of around 10 to 14 degrees. 14 is 57 Fahrenheit. High pressure remains very dominant as we go into Thursday, so the dry spell continues. No sign of an end to the drought in any parts of the country really, with high pressure really very dominant indeed. A lot of fine weather again around the country. Most areas will be dry with a fair amount of sunny spells. Again, there could be quite a bit of cloud trapped under that high pressure, though with winds coming more off the continent, the air coming more off the continent, perhaps more in way of sunshine on Thursday. And temperatures will be mild, with temperatures up to around 14 or 15 degrees. So those temperatures are gradually picking up as the week wears on. And going into a Friday, we end the week with that high pressure really dominant across all parts of the country again. So it is dry for most places, maybe a few showers across southwestern parts of England, but really the emphasis is on high pressure dominating the scene. It'll be dry and sunny many parts of the country. Some cloud trapped under that high pressure still, but I think we should hopefully get more in way of sunshine as the air is coming off the continental landmass. It should be drier, so hopefully we will get some sunshine, more particularly in the central eastern parts of the country perhaps, but all places really should get some sunny spells to end the week. And it will be very mild as well, with temperatures up to 15, 16, maybe 17 degrees. That's very good for March. 17 is 63 Fahrenheit, so the warm and dry March continues. And as we go into next weekend, there's no sign of a change really. The high pressure is still dominating up there to the northeast. All areas dry and fine, with lots of sunny spells and maybe some cloud as well. And it will be very mild indeed, with temperatures up to around 16 or 17 degrees. So the dry and warm March is going to continue through the course of the week. Could be some showery rain this weekend, but once the weekend is out of the way, high pressure comes back and dominates the scene. It's a dry and fine week to come. That's it for now.